Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified resource showcase. In a previous video, I showed you how amazing of a resource Dropified Academy is by teaching you how to get started from basically nothing and run a drop shipping store. But while that's an amazing tool, sometimes you just need a quick answer on a specific question that you have. What do you do then? Well, we have an amazing help blog that we have answered a ton of common questions that we get all the time. And we have blog posts attached to them, complete with GIFs and videos and tutorials on how to actually solve your problems. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first what we need to do is we need to go to help.dropified.com. And here we can get started. So this is going to be really helpful if you have a very specific question you want to get answered. You can either start by searching for a question you have, or you can go into one of our many different topics that we have. Everything from answering questions about Dropified to very specific things like products and orders. So what kind of information can you get from here? Well, based off of all of these different tabs, we can see how many articles are written about these different subjects. So in products, we have 18 different articles, which means 18 different questions have been answered about products, 16 different articles have been written about orders, 5 about advanced features. So let's just look into one and see what we can get. We can get something as simple as importing products with a Chrome extension, which is very square one, all the way down to migrating from oberlo, editing products, importing product reviews. This one's a really good one. I've used this to actually teach you all in other videos how to import product reviews using the advanced editor. So if you click on one of these, I'm going to go to import product reviews because I know this one's a pretty dense one. You get step-by-step instructions about how to import reviews into Shopify and WooCommerce. So here you can see a GIF playing to show you how it works. You've got step-by-step instructions based off of Shopify and WooCommerce. You get links to the resources that are mentioned. It's all right here, and then to top it all off, you have a video from me showing you how to import the reviews from step 1 to the final step. It's all really helpful. And here we even have some code that you need to import. And instead of making you type it out, you can just copy and paste all of it into where it needs to go. So that's just one example. Let's do something else. We can look at boards. And here you can see you got step-by-step instructions complete with GIFs to show you how to complete the task that you want to finish. Scroll down. See, all of this is very good information. And I'm not going to keep showing you over and over what kind of articles we have, but those were just examples on how you can use help.dropified.com to really figure out how to answer your questions, how to fix things that maybe have broken for some reason, and just general knowledge all around. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.